If you are broke, have no experience, and you want to make your first $100 online, this video definitely is for you. I'm going to show you how I did it and how you too can also do it step by step. I know how frustrating it is to just watch people say, oh, start a business, when you don't actually know where to start from. Believe me when I tell you that I have tried so many of these businesses that people will tell you to start and make money online, but so many didn't work. Now, this one I'm going to show you is the one that actually works. Just a 3-step system that anyone can do from anywhere. Even on your phone, you can do this. My very first step is pick
Digital 24, guys. So when you get to this platform here, by the way, you search this on Google, right? And it brings you here. Get started in 2 minutes. Very easy process. Start, scale, and automate your online business.
After you have signed
so
up,
you can see the information. Over $3 billion in sales proceed. Over 5.5 million products sold last year.
Evergreen topics.
And yeah, so all you need is just click on get started in 2 minutes.
To copy your affiliate link,
and you sign up. This is where you're going to sign up. Public use bit.ly.com looks like. Go to your Google and type in bit.ly.com. It brings you to this platform. Build stronger digital connections. So it says use our URL shortener, so QR code, and click on. This is where you go to shorten that affiliate link. Search for the affiliate link that you had copied from the affiliate marketing platform. Now, if you have that product link now, what you do, if you have the affiliate link, what you will do is paste your long link here. You paste it here, you click on get your link for free. Okay, so this platform is free, guys. And yeah, so you just sign up for free. Wealthy your free plan 20,005 short links a month. This one is the Wealthy Club group. You get 160 a month, unlimited. This one got 7,800 members. So what you will do here now is select the one
product that you're promoting. So apart from Facebook, TikTok is another high traffic space that you can use. So create create content on TikTok where you can promote your link. Now, I talked about landing page. So when it comes to TikTok, you need the landing page for you to be able to promote your link. Do not go to TikTok and start pasting your link directly on the platform. You're gonna jeopardize your page. If you use this format I just told you, I posted on Quora, answered questions. The ultimate thing is make sure you're giving value. That's it. Then I joined some Facebook groups and posted also on TikTok, right? And before you know it, people are going to use your link to buy the product you're promoting. Now, here is where 99% of people get this wrong. What they do is they go to platforms and they spam those platforms. Do not spam any platform. Rather, what you need to do is, like I said, join groups, provide answers to questions that people are asking. Groups like Facebook groups, Quora, and all of those groups. Now, when people ask questions there, be ready to give answers to the questions. Give solution. When the people in the group know that you're the kind of person who is interested in helping others, they're going to trust you. For people to buy from you, they need to trust you first. Now, when they trust you, all you need to do, they're going to ask you, oh, what did you do? Then you tell them what you did. For instance, on Facebook, search for groups like how to lose weight. Now, when you join those groups and you tell people your story, how you managed to lose weight, and they're gonna ask you, how did you do it? What did you use? And things like that. So that is the point where you're going to give your link that is leading to a product on how to lose weight. You see how it goes. So don't just join any group and start, adding your link straight on. No, give value first. So imagine you're a member of like 6 or 10 groups and you're able to do this and tell them this is a useful info on how I did it, and you give them the useful info. Like, here is what helped me, right? check out this book or check out this planner, this diet planner or whatever. And yeah, so before you know it, you'll be making money. Let's say one of those affiliate links is $48 if somebody buys one, and you're able to sell like 10. Oh, you're able to promote and 10 people buys, which is like 480. So you can see how quickly you can make money with affiliate marketing. Because at the end of the day, guys, you are not selling any product. All you're doing is to promote other people's product and you get paid a commission. And let me say that to promote isn't difficult. You talk every day, right? You meet people every day and they ask you, oh, I like your earrings. Where did you get it from? And you tell them that is affiliate marketing, but affiliate marketing without commission. So when you tell them this time around, make sure you have gone to grab the affiliate link. As you're telling them, you're giving the link. Oh, this is the place I bought it. Use this link and it will take you straight to the platform. Now you just shared your affiliate link. And when they go to the platform and buys, you are going to be paid a commission. Very simple, cool, easy money in your pockets. I'm sharing this, guys, because I did this exact method and it worked for me. So that is why I'm sharing this experience. Yeah, it does work. It does work, trust me. Now, this is where I'm going to leave this video today. If you find value in this content, please give me a follow. Comment, like, save, and share the video. Yes, share the video. You never know who will need this information. Okay, until next time, you're welcome.